Hi, this is Janusz speaking. Today I want to show the video how we can make some formatting for the report. And this video is a continuation of the previous one, PDF with date range. So first start with some example. So here I have the report where it is organized by some groups, and within groups records are sorted by date. Yeah. So for each group, I have subtotal, as here, and as well I count the number of records for each group, and I have total, the overall total for the whole report. So now let's go to see some more details. So let's start first with the browse edit form, based on which I am just creating the report. And let's have a look on the SQL used for this form. So this is the typical SQL where I'm joining here three tables to have data used on this browse form. Okay. And now let's have a look on the SQL used for the report. So we can go to SQL, and here is the SQL. Okay, and let's make some, let's say, different comparison with some code formatting. So this is the SQL copy paste for the browse form, and this is the SQL used for the report. So it's exactly the same one as here. Yeah. If we will just arrange it a little bit differently, so you can see that the basic part in both cases is the same. Yeah. In the first part, I use order by. For PDF, there is no need to use order by because this is ordered by separately by the report, and in fact, if you put it here, it will be disregarded. Yeah. And additional part here, this is a kind of filter if I want to use some date range. It was described in the previous video, and to have possibility to count numbers, to count number of records, I add to all records additional column. I call it counter, and in this column for every record is just one. Yeah, so I can make a sum of all the columns for total and for the subgroups. Okay. Now let's go to report details. So if you open here the SQL, it's exactly the same what we were just analyzing before. And let's go to the report designer. So this report was initiated by the fuzz report, and later I did some rearrangements on the report and adding some additional fields. So, for example, here I added the range which is used to display the range of date for the data. Yeah, so this is here. Yeah, if I click, so this is a PDF start. So this is the hash cookie. Okay. Concerning groups, so here I have two groups, let's say two groups and sorting. So first is the receiver name and pay until date, and this is sorted ascending. Yeah. If we go to the report, so this is receiver name, it's this one, yeah, and this one. So here you can see it is grouped by name and ordered by date. Yeah. Okay. And how to make some ordering, some sub counting for counting or summary of the values. So if you are in this group receiver name, you are having additional sections you can add. So header and footer. You can define the height, and on this this builder you can add some additional objects. Yeah. So in header it's not visible. It is here. Yes, header. I am just adding only one line to separate the groups. Yeah. So this line, it is this, and this line. Yeah. In the footer, I added the subtotals. You can see it's subtotal, yes. And here is the subtotal for the counting, yes. Sum counter. And here is the value 1, the counter. So it is the one which was defined before in the query. Not to be visible on the report, I just put it in white color, yeah. So it is on the report, but it's not printed, it's not visible. Okay, where is my form? Yeah. For pay until, it's just only ordered, but I am defining nothing, so section is 0. Section height is 0, yeah. If I would like some additional fields, for example, this char name, CHA name. You see, I added here. It is still, let's say, empty before header and footer. You have to refocus the field to have it visible. And I can add some height. Yes, you can see it's visible here. And you can add additional objects or calculation if necessary. And let's go back to the report. I think this is just very basic information how we can make such a report, and all this data like summary, like counting, is just only done with the sum function. Thank you very much. Bye.